Why so high? Target shooting with the Gamo Bull Whisper Extreme 1400 feet per second pellet rifle. The original scope rings did not last. So I replaced them, but I had I couldn't get the short rings, so I got taller ones. So I took the rail off. Well, now, because there's not a stop pin, it's pushing the scope every time I fire it down the rail. So it's now at the end and it's not sighting anymore. So I've got to slide it back up and try to find some way to put a stop pin or something into this hole for the stop pin so the scope will be more stable. So to try to fix the mount that has no stop pin, I'm going to try to install a stop pin in the bottom of this mount. I have a screw and I've sized a hole, and I'm going to drill the hole into the ring to try to put a bolt in there and cut it off. I think that's deep enough. And my favorite bolt cutters, Iron Workers pliers.